Great. Thanks, Eric. Thanks, Clay. That is awesome. I'm so looking forward to working with you guys, training all of our KREIA members, new KREIA members, and soon to be KREIA members at this Saturday workshop. And it's awesome. Eric went over the numbers with you. He's going to go more in detail, especially on the goal setting there. I loved what Clay talked about just a minute ago. What kind of houses to buy, what kind of rental properties to buy, 1 story, 2 story, story and a half. A camelback, a lopsided, up in Chicago, they call them 2 lumpies. No, they're 2 flats, 2 flats and 3 flats. I don't know what that is, but I come back with a lumpy. But anyway, what I'm going to get into with you is the nuts and bolts of the day-to-day operations. Okay. And the biggest thing that I can stress to you that you need to learn and to implement is proven effective systems. So many folks that you might bump into at KREIA that said, oh, never again will I do tenants, never again toilets, all this and that. I'll bet you odds are they didn't have a system, not a proven system to implement and to make it work for them. I guarantee you, Eric has got a system, okay, because he's going to share it with you. You're going to see it on Saturday. I guarantee you. How is Clayton so successful? Clay, did I say Clayton? I had Clayton on the brain for some reason. I'm sorry. Call me Bubba, okay? But how does Clay know all this? Because he's got tons and tons of experience in it. He knows what works, and he's going to give you the shortcut, the smooth road on how to do that, and it has to do with systems. He mentioned his checklist. Folks, that right there is a system, okay? So what I'm going to share with you is how you can consistently get paid over 100% of your rents every single month. Just imagine that, okay? So if you got 1 property, not too big a deal, but I did a survey when I go around and teach around the country of those investors who had 15 or more units of the rent that is owed you over a 12-month period. How much do you actually get? You know what the number 1 answer was, Eric or Clay? Blew me away.
I would guess something in the 85% range.
94.
Bullseye. Bullseye. I had one guy in Los Angeles say, "I only did 50%." And I said, "Why are you here?" You need to blow the plug and get out of there. But no, 85%. Could you imagine a real estate agent telling a new KREIA member or somebody's looking to buy one of their first rental properties, "Oh, by the way, national average, you only get 85% of your rents." That'd probably blow up your ship there on some of your numbers, wouldn't it, Eric?
It would definitely have a negative.
So you got to have a lean, mean, efficient. I'm not talking about working harder. No. Nobody's in this room watching this video right now because you want to work harder. No, we want to build our wealth with real estate. The less you do, the more you make. You want to have a lean, mean, efficient machine that you can almost put on autopilot, and you truly can. So remember that 20 nice rental houses paid for. Most of us would be a fat cat. That will put $10,000 a month in your pocket. And that's the number 1 answer when I ask folks, how much money in your pocket monthly make you a happy camper? $10,000 the number. They don't want to compete with Donald Trump. So mark your calendar now. Are we going to get food there on the Saturday workshop?
We will have something there, yes.
Oh, we don't know yet. Okay, so that's still pending. But either way, okay, sign up for it. I don't know what the cost is going to be. But stay tuned, go to KREIA.com, get signed up. You're going to love it. And this will be life-changing for you, your family, and